Intrinsic Quality is pleased to introduce the IQ Programming Station. With this system, manufacturers can program microcontroller flash as part of their normal manufacturing process. The IQ Programming Station makes implementing in-system programming a snap. It is a powerful, affordable tool for decreasing manufacturing throughput time while minimizing operator error. Loading firmware on a printed circuit board is as easy as placing the board onto the fixture and waiting just a few seconds while the device is programmed. The programming station does all the work. It scans the board, selects the appropriate firmware, and programs it automatically within seconds. The IQ Programming Station reduces operator training time and minimizes operator error. If a circuit board fails to program, the Fail Acknowledge feature helps ensure that the defective board does not pass the programming stage of manufacturing. After a programming failure, the IQ Programming Station will not program until the operator presses the illuminated Failure Acknowledge button. Changing the fixtures can be accomplished in seconds with very little training, allowing for easy implementation in a high-mix manufacturing environment. Once the fixture is changed, the IQ Programming Station automatically detects the new fixture and circuit board and loads the correct firmware. Intrinsic Quality has taken measures to reduce clutter and minimize storage space. The fixtures and their press plates easily store together and are stackable, allowing for easy organization and storage. The IQ Programming Station is fully integrated, containing everything needed for automated in-system programming. It is also expandable. The design architecture allows the manufacturer to implement additional functional test capabilities as needed to improve the test procedure and overall quality control. The IQ Programming Station is powered by FlashRunner, a universal device programmer with the fastest programming times currently available on the market. The FlashRunner Quattro model allows for gang programming, making it an ideal choice for paneled circuit board programming. The IQ Programming Station is a universal solution for the automatic programming of devices on printed circuit board assemblies. It dramatically minimizes the difficulty of implementing in-system programming. It reduces operator error and decreases manufacturing throughput time. The long-term results are cost savings at programming and increased agility to adapt to changes in device firmware. For more information, contact us directly or visit us online at intrinsicquality.com.